In Enugu State, where we start with Caritas Nigeria, which is the Enugu Branch, on Tuesday, marking its 15th anniversary with a walkathon aimed at creating awareness about its work and celebrating its years of service. The walk, which kicked off at the organization's office through staff and supporters, and Afia TV's Francisca Nnani reports.
Braving the morning rain, participants marched through the streets of Enugu in a symbolic gesture of resilience and commitment. Caritas Nigeria, known for its work in health and social development, organized the Walkathon to highlight 15 years of service and community impact. The walk, a part of its anniversary commemorative activities, began at the branch office on Nza Street, Independence Layout, past Agric Bank and IMT, before returning to the office. The state team leader, Dr. Fabian Bassi, reflected on the journey so far and shared his visions for the future.
Have the teaching stages and then been able to achieve so much within the lifespan. Within these 15 years, Caritas Nigeria has been able to have programs across different thematic areas. Most importantly, in the health sector, where we have been able to identify over 154,000 people and then place them on medication, in terms of HIV/AIDS. And then, of course, even in the areas of emergency, where we are also working in the northeastern part of Nigeria, and then even in programs that have to do with agriculture and livelihood, where we are also working in the southwest, where we are touching a lot of lives there and also improving in terms of economic empowerment of our people. So Caritas has really achieved a lot. Basically, in Enugu State, we implement the HIV/AIDS program, and in the past 6 years, we have been able to move from about 17,000 patients to now 54,000 plus, on treatment. That's a very huge feat that Caritas Nigeria has been able to achieve in Enugu State, with the help of the people of Enugu State, the government of Enugu State, and of course, Caritas Nigeria staff and management. For us, in terms of HIV/AIDS, which is basically what we are implementing in Enugu State, with the support from Ministry of Health and the United States government, we want to make sure that we, create more awareness, ensure that in terms of stigma, people also get to stop stigmatizing others, and then create more awareness about it so that we can be able to also reach out to more people, identify them, and also place them on treatment so that they can also live their life to the fullest, in line with what our vision and mission is.
Staff members also emphasized the critical role of media partnership and public engagement in sustaining their work.
About Caritas Nigeria and how we've been impacting lives. And then, because our main aim is to help to reduce the prevalence of HIV/AIDS and then to cure tuberculosis. So, some people are still in the dark about whether HIV is a myth or is actually real. It is real indeed. And we go all the way to give you free drugs, free treatment, free care. So please, do not be in the dark anymore. HIV/AIDS is real, but you can have fullness of life. We have had people that have, lived with HIV 20 years and even counting, healthier than you and I. So the myth should be, removed completely. HIV/AIDS is real, but we are here to help you to enjoy your life, to have children that are actually, you can have up to 10 children that are HIV negative, provided you come and follow the regimen. So please, we are telling the people of Enugu and its environs, come out and get tested. Testing is free, the drugs are free, everything about HIV is free, and at the end of the day, your life will be full.
So Caritas has, we've done a lot. We have impacts in so many fields, not just in health, in agriculture, in security, in different aspects. Caritas is a household name in this part of the country, and it's very important that we celebrate the impact of Caritas. I think it's very important that we get our messages out there using different mediums. Today is one of such events. Traditionally we are not into media appearances and so on and but we have a lot of impact that we have not been putting out there for people to see. So I think it's necessary, working with our different partners in the Ministry of Health, in the state government, in the local government areas, it's very important we begin to put out our messages out there to create awareness, not just for ourselves, but for the different areas of work that we're engaged in.
Over the years, the organization has been active in delivering emergency responses, advancing healthcare, promoting education, supporting livelihood, and fostering sustainable agriculture. Its mission has remained focused on improving lives, strengthening communities, and upholding human dignity. The Walkathon was not just a celebration of 15 years of impact, but also a renewed commitment to do even more in the years ahead. In Enugu, Francisca Nnani for Afia TV.